Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto trading platform. From this platform you can earn a big profit with crypto trading, and there are many more opportunities of earning. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So as you can see, the website was open and EcoBit is the name of this project. It's a trading platform. You can trade cryptocurrencies on this platform. It's a totally secure platform and give you many more opportunities of earning. It's give you events and rewards opportunity, and you can earn from spot trading, future trading, copy trading. I will tell you how you can trade in this video, so watch full video and hope you can get profitable. So the link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. So as you can see, EcoBit where trades eco into a endless future trade with confidence, and simplicity and expertise. So as you can see, many more events was also showing on screen. You can simply participate in it and get more profit from this platform, and it's give you many more opportunities of earning. I will tell you. Then you can see the crypto market was on screen. As you can see, BTC, Ethereum, and every cryptocurrency was available. You can trade cryptocurrency on spot with 100 trading pairs. It's a very good opportunity for you, and you can also see many more memes coins and small coins in this platform. You can also trade. So hopefully you will know how you can trade in this platform. So first of all, register your account. It's a very simple method for registration. Simply enter your email and password, then click on it and simply register your account. And after registration, it's give you bonuses and you can get more opportunities of earning. So must participate in it, and then you can trade and make money from this project. So these are the popular crypto coins. Then we can scroll down. As you can see, platform advantages was showing on screen. It's a totally friendly platform. You can see simple things was available and very simple to operating this platform. You can see advanced security system was available, global coverage was available. So it's a very good thing for you. Total supported cryptocurrencies all around the world. So you can trade cryptocurrency where you live, and you can simply make profit, and your funds was totally secure in this project. Then you can see how you can start. Simply download the application of this project and then you can register your account. I will already tell you how you can register. Then you can see 100 plus trading pair was available in stop trading, and you can simply trade on spot and you can get more profit. Also having a future option, you can see get 1x to 125x leverage. So it's a very good opportunity for you to get more your income and increase your portfolio. So you can see QR code and links was available. Then you can see the social media account of the project, and each and everything was showing on screen. So hopefully you will know how was project working and how you can get profit. So now we can go to the market and I will tell you how you can trade on cryptocurrencies in future or spot trading. So without wasting our time, we can go to the market, and now I will tell you how you can trade. So friend, as you can see, market was open. All cryptocurrencies pair was showing on screen. You can simply click on it, and it's a simple method for a trade. Simply I click on a trade option. You can see the live chart and the detail of the coin. You can see BTC pair was open, and you can see many more pairs on screen. Which one you want to trade? Simply click on it, and you can see live chart and current price of pair, and simply you can trade. As you can see, the live chart was showing on screen, and you can simply buy and sell. Also you can create limits, and you can see total detail, transfer, deposit, and each and everything was showing on screen. So it's a very simple and easy method for a trade, and which pair you want to trade, simply select and you can buy sell on this exchange. Now I will share with you the future option of this project. Simply click on a future option. You can see the future trade opportunity on this website. It's also very good opportunity for you. It give you a leverage, and you can increase your income very fastly. So as you can see, the future trading option was available. Simply you can select pair which one you want to trade, and you can see the live chart and details. Simply open a long trade or a short trade. You have an opportunity of open close. Limit option was also available. Simply you can participate in it and trade trade on this future option. You can also get a copy trading option. I will share with you how you can trade in copy trading. So it's also a very good opportunity for you to make money easier, because in copy trading you can see many more person means many more profitable traders, and you can invest your money from it and you can get profits. So friend, as you can see, future copy trading was open and you can see the copy plaza and many more person was available. You can simply select a person which one you like, simply click on a copy option and you can simply create and participate in copy trading. So it's a very easy and good opportunity for you, so must participate in it and be the member of this project. Hopefully you will know how you can trade and how you can earn money from this project. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.